to Story Time to Go at the DeSoto Public Library with me, Miss Janelle, and Otis. Otis is asleep again. And I think we should wake him up for this Story Time to Go because we are going to do something really cool. We are going to make musical instruments. What do you think about my mini guitar? Right. So let's go ahead and wake up Otis. Now, there's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis, and we have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Yeah, I'm awake. What are we doing today? Well, today we are going to be making musical instruments. Oh, I love musical instruments. Did you know that I know how to play the guitar? You do? Yeah. Really? I didn't know this. Did you know that Otis can play the guitar? Yeah. I am such a musical expert. I studied at the finest guitar school. Oh, you did? Yeah. What was the name of the school? The Otis School of Guitar. Really? Yeah. It's the best in the whole wide world. People come from all over the world to listen and learn from me, Otis, the guitar expert. Okay, Otis, well, if you are so good, will you sing us a song and play us something on your guitar? Oh, I thought you'd never ask. You're lucky that today I have my guitar. It's right over there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you get it for me, Miss Janelle? All right, I guess I'll get it for you, Otis. Let's see. Wow, this is a very fancy guitar. I know, it's so special. It's one of the one in the only world. It is? Yeah. I call it the 3-stringed Otis-tar. The 3-stringed Otis-tar? Yeah. So, what you do is you do this. You hold the guitar and you pluck the strings like this and watch and listen as beautiful music comes about. Oh, I'm very impressed. La! I am Otis! The greatest guitar singer and player in the world! Bring. What'd you think? That was an original. Wow. Did you like that at home? I know you did. It's really. Would you guys like to hear me sing us another one? No, Otis, that's fine. No, I'm gonna say it. No, really, Otis, it's okay. I promise. No. La DeSoto Library rocks. Wow, that was great. Thank you, Otis. Yeah. Do you want me to play another one? No. It's okay, Otis. It's okay. Oh, okay. So how about Otis? I know you're really tired from all that excellent guitar work. Yeah. Why don't you sit down and we can make our own instruments. They won't be as great as yours, Otis. I know they won't be, but it's okay. You can still try. All right. And why don't you advise us on how to make a beautiful guitar? Yeah. I will. That's a good idea. But you know what that means? What? It means you have to stay awake. Oh, yeah. I will. All right. So Otis, I'm going to put you and your guitar over here so that we can make our lovely mini musical instruments. Okay, and you're going to stay awake. Yeah, because I'm the expert. Okay, ready, and... Oh, man! But you know what, I have a secret. This is one time I'm kind of glad that Otis went to sleep because his music was terrible. Yeah. All right, but are you ready to make good music and not bad music like Otis? Let's get started. When you come to the library, don't to get your Story Time to Go kit so that you can make your own musical instrument. Okay, let's see what we have in our craft kit for this week is you are going to get a lid of some sort, some rubber bands, feathers, a popsicle stick, a marker or two, and some glue dots. You might need to have a glue stick at your house too. The very first thing we're going to do is we are going to color our popsicle sticks and make them look very colorful because that is going to be the handle on our instrument. So you get to design however you would like. Once your handle is complete, then you are going to want to let it dry for a little bit because the marker will be wet. And you're going to take your lid and put the rubber bands around it, and you might have to put it on there twice because you want your rubber bands to be tight. The tighter the rubber bands, the better the sound. And the smaller rubber bands have a higher pitch, if you can hear, and the bigger rubber bands have a lower pitch. So when you put them all together, very nice. Next, you're going to take your handle and put 2 glue dots on there, on the bottom part. Stick them to the back. Now, if you've got some tape at home, it might also help to tape it on the back to hold it in place just a little bit better. Now, the very last thing that we need to do is add a feather so it can be fabulous. Ta-da! So let's see if we can make beautiful music. I think that definitely is better than Otis's music. What do you think? Should we wake him up? Should we show him? Let's do it. Do you remember what's the one way in the whole wide world to wake him up? We have to say, 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You ready? Are you sure you want to wake him up? What if he starts trying to sing again? That's okay. We'll show him our musical instrument and then he won't want to sing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! I'm awake. You are? Yeah. Oh, good. I'm glad you're awake because we finished making our musical instrument. No. You can't because I am the expert. I am the only one who knows how to sing and play musical instruments. Mr. Nell, I don't think you know how to do it. Oh, well, you are right, Otis. I am definitely not on your level of singing and musical instrument playing. No, you will never be. But that's okay. I'll still let her try. Oh, well, thank you, Otis. That's very kind. Yeah. And just to show you how great I am, I'm going to give you another song. No, Otis, that's really okay. How about instead you take a look at the beautiful musical instrument that we made? Oh, okay. I guess that will work. Yeah. Oh, this does look very nice. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I don't know how I feel about it. Bring, bring. Otis, I don't know. Maybe you're not meant for this instrument. What are you talking about? I know how to play it. It's just that it's not as good as my musical instruments. Really? Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, thank you, Otis. I'm glad that you are here to teach me how to play a musical instrument. Yeah. I'm going to give you lessons. Yeah, and you'll love it. Okay. So in the meantime, how about you tell all of our friends how they can get a kit to make their own musical instrument? Oh, yeah. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to come to the library, and you're going to get one of these Storytime to Go kits, and then you're going to come over here, and you're going to get a book, and then you're going to do a story time at home, and then you're going to make a musical instrument, and you'll be my students. Okay. How about we were really good until the part about where they become your students. Yeah, that'll be great. Come to the library. All right, well that is a good idea. How about you come to the library and pick up our kits and pick up a story time, but you don't have to become Otis's music instrument students. Yeah, that'll be really good. I'll see you soon. Mwah!